Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Carla. I miss you guys so much. This crazy virus is making me go crazy. So, since I've been at home and kind of not sure what to do, and I've been sending you guys some work, I decided to make some videos because I love doing science in the classroom and I miss you guys a lot. So we're gonna today make a cloud in a jar. Now you can probably do this at home with whatever you have around. I just have some Tupperware containers, a mason jar, you can use a cup, whatever you have. I have food dye, shaving cream, a little dropper from one of the games that I own, but also you can use a teaspoon and just like really gently drop it in. And then I have a marker to do my marks, and that's it. So let's get started. We're gonna need our water. Our water for our food coloring. The food coloring is going to act as the rain in this experiment. So I have greens. We're gonna make some rain green. I'm just gonna use 2 to 3 drops because green's pretty dark. Then I'm just gonna stir it up. And food coloring can stain and kind of make a mess, so I put a tablecloth down because you boys and girls, you know I make a mess every time we do science. And then I'm gonna do blue. Put 2 or 3 drops in for the blue. Then I'm going to do yellow. I'm going to put a few more drops in for the yellow, maybe like 4 or 5, because the yellow is kind of light. So there's our yellow. And you can use whatever colors you have. It doesn't matter. I'm going to take my jug of water. And it says that we have to fill it up 2/3 of the way. So I used my marker and I cut it into 3 equal sections. So I'm going to fill it up to the second line, which would mean that that's 2/3, because the first line's 1/3, and then that's 2/3. See my bottle? Then we're going to take our shaving cream. Just got this at the dollar store. You can just put on all the shaving cream, all the way up to the top. You can put on a lot. The shaving cream is the clouds, so you can really put a lot of shaving cream on. Alright. Okay. So we have the shaving cream. Then we're going to take our dropper. I'm going to start with yellow, actually. I'm going to slowly drop yellow onto our cloud, the rain, onto the cloud. And you can see it's kind of going into the atmosphere here. The air down here is like our air that we're breathing. That we're like outside. We're going to put some rain. You see, the shaving cream really needs to have a whole lot of rain from the top in it, so then it'll come down to the earth. A lot of rain. Alright, so mine's kind of just staying at the top here. I don't know if you can see it very well, the yellow. It's just kind of staying right underneath the shaving cream, and it's not going down a little bit. It's not going down much. I haven't gotten it saturated enough, which means completely soaked. Oh, there it starts to go. All right. I'm going to add my green. No, I want to add my blue. I'm going to do blue. Yes, blue. Blue. What kind of looks cool at the top? Oh. So blue is going in there, and it's mixing with the yellow, and it's making its own green. So blue and yellow makes green, guys. That's pretty cool. And my yellow is dropping down. My rain's coming down. Woo! This is really, really awesome. And now I'm going to add my green. Maybe I can make it a darker green. Some green in there. Once these clouds are completely covered with your rain or your food dye, it'll all start coming down. It's kind of what happens. It's kind of what happens outside. Our clouds get saturated with the rain from up top, and then we get rain. or snow, like yesterday. That was not fun. Hope you guys got to go outside and play in it, but at my house it was all ice. So now everything's so slippery. Alright. So there's mine. It's coming down. My yellow went through. Now today at my house it's very sunny out, and there are some clouds out there today, but not as many as yesterday. So there are 4 different types of clouds. You guys see that? 4 different types of clouds that we are going to be talking about, or that we really see the most of. We have our cumulus clouds, which are like big puffy white cotton balls up in the sky, and those are the ones that whenever you're out in the summer and you're laying down and you look up and you can see animals or different things, those are usually the cumulus clouds. We have our stratus clouds, which are low gray clouds that mean it's going to rain or snow, or whenever you're driving up the mountain or a hill and you have all that fog, that's usually a stratus cloud you're stuck in. And we have our nimbus clouds. Those are our thunder clouds and our lightning clouds. They're really dark. And then we have our cirrus clouds, which are really high up in the sky, so they're like really whispery and wavy. It kind of just looks like lines in the sky. Those appear on really nice sunny days. So today at my house, I have some cumulus clouds. I have some cirrus clouds. So it's kind of nice out there today. It's kind of warm. Oh, my rain's starting to come down more. See, it's all coming down. It's really cool. Also, I have a craft that I did this afternoon. I made goggles to go look at the clouds. Make cloud goggles. So really, I hot glued 2 pieces of toilet paper rolls together, which I'm sure you have a ton of now. And then I just took my paintbrush and I painted them really, really quick. And then I took cotton balls, and while the paint was still kind of wet, I stuck them on there. And then you can take string and make a loop, and then you can look through them, and you can go look at different clouds up in the sky. And I can attach a paper so you guys can see which types of clouds that you're looking at. And then you can kind of play a game and see which ones you can see the most of. And you can do it all week. That way, like today, our clouds, we're not going to get like 3 different types of clouds today, but maybe during the week it's supposed to rain, so you might see those nimbus clouds or stratus clouds out there. Alright, it's just a fun little craft I did. We were going to do this in class, but maybe mommy and daddy have some cotton balls, toilet paper rolls. You can just paint them real quick and make your own glasses. It doesn't take very long. You can go out there and look for different ones. Right, so my rain cloud is really coming down. And I hope you guys get to do this at home with mommy and daddy, or grandma and grandpa, or whoever, your brother and sister, whoever you're with. And post pictures, send me pictures, tag pictures of yourself underneath, all right? I'd love to see them. And I'll probably be back later in the week. We're gonna do some other kind of fun weather things. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.